Hello and welcome back again to my YouTube channel. This is Jay from New Money Methods, and in this video I'm going to show you how you can make $10 every single day just using your Binance application. So if you don't have a Binance account or you don't have this application, just go ahead into my video description. You get a link where you can create a free account and get 50% bonus on your first deposit if you deposit more than $50. So without getting further ado, let's just get started with the video. So what you just need to do, you just make sure you have Binance application installed in your phone, and after that just hit on Binance application to open it. So this method that we are going to be doing, you are going to be using p2p trading. So what you need to do, just tap on p2p, and once p2p opens, you're going to agree, and what you're going to do, you just need to come over here where you select your local currency, and you're just going to change it to your country of residence. So for example, I'm in Uganda, so I'm just going to change that, and then I'm going to agree to terms and conditions, and boom, we are there. So now what we are going to be doing right now, we are just going to be buying what we call a stable coin, and the stable coin that I like to buy is USDT. So make sure right here you're in buy section, and right here you select USDT right here. So this video I'm going to be using a stable coin which happens to be a USDT. So what you're going to do is just going to select the among the people that are selling USDT here, you're going to look for a merchant that you are going to buy from. So before, I made a video on how you can buy USDT from Binance. So if you didn't watch that video, if you don't know how to buy USDT on Binance, go ahead and watch that video. I'm going to put it down in the video description so that you can see it also. Now you're just going to select the amount, for example, that you are willing to start with. So for example, in my Ugandan shillings, if you have 100,000, and 100,000 is going to be something like $30 or 30 USDT. So you're going to select the payment method, whether MTN or Airtel or cheaper cash that you want to buy with. So after that, then you are going to select a merchant, like right here. If you decide to use this one, so you are going to select buy, and we are going to buy USDT from this person. So you can see right here, we are going to input the amount that we are going to buy with. So for example, I want to buy worth 100,000 Ugandan shillings, and we are going to click buy with 0 fees. So when you do that, you're going to see a window where you are requested to make the payment. So you're going to come here and say make the payment, and you are going to select the payment. So this one I selected for cheaper cash, but you can go ahead and select the one that has MTN or that has Airtel, and you go ahead and make the payment to that person. So after making the payment to this person, you can see cheaper cash. This is the ID we are going to send, and this is the name it is going to bring. So after doing that, you're going to confirm that you have made the payment. After you have made the payment to the right person, you're going to hit on transfer, notify the seller. So after you've made the payment, you're just going to go back, because I don't want to make any payment, I already have the USDT. So after that, after you have made the payment, that person is going to transfer USDT on your wallet. So after that person has transferred the USDT on your spot wallet, you now own the USDT, and this was your buying price. You notice this was your buying price right here. You bought each USDT at 3,731. Now what you are going to do, you are just going to wait and give it a few hours for the price to reset, and the price changes so that you can go ahead and sell right on this section right here. And I'm just going to show you that in a while. So for example, when I head over to Google, and what I'm going to type here, I'm going to type USDT price in UGX. So this is going to bring for us the data of UGX against USDT. And if you can take a look right here, you can see this is the price action for UGX and USDT. Because this is a stable coin, it is supposed to range within the average. So you can see, for example, with UGX USDT, the range is in between what value is this? The range is in between 3,740 and 3,000. 3,700. So what you can do, if you bought the price was around 3,700, you just give it a few hours within a day, because this is the price action for a single day. So you just give it a few hours for the price to go up, and going up to 3,700. And once the price has appreciated in value, you're just going to come back to Binance section right here. And when you come to Binance section right here, you will find that prices have changed. And what you just need to do, you just need to switch to the sell. So when you come to sell, you will realize you will already be making a profit. So what you just need to do, you just come to sell right here, and again you are going to sell your USDT that you have on your spot wallet. So you're just going to transfer it from spot wallet to funding wallet. And after you have done that, then you're just going to come right here. Again, you're going to select UGX, and you're going to sell your USDT. So what you are going to do, you're just going to look for the merchant that offers better prices, right? So again, when you have that merchant, remember the price has already changed, the price has increased in value. What you're going to do, you're going to sell your USDT. So what you need to do, you're just going to leave it in crypto, and you are going to type all amount that you have, and you realize you'll be in profit already. And right here, you need to select the payment method, and after, tap on sell with 0 fee. So after doing that, that person is going to buy your USDT, and after they have bought your USDT, they are going to send you your money with the profit together. And after doing that, then you are going to go ahead and sell your USDT. You release your USDT to them. So basically, that's how you're going to be making $10, and you can do this repeatedly many times in a day, depending on how the price fluctuates. So make sure that not the price that you have bought, buying price, the price that you have bought your USDT, and the price that you are going to sell your USDT. So there must be a difference, and always opt for sellers that offer good prices in the markets, right? So make sure you go for sellers that offer good prices in the markets, and that's how you're going to be making $10 simply over and over and over again without hustling. So this is it, guys. If you like the video, go ahead and smash that thumbs up button, hit the subscribe button, and don't forget to turn on the bell notification so that you can get notified anytime I publish a new video. So that was it, guys. See you again in another one. Take care, and bye bye.